Once again, welcome back to the Berrybrook channel, and surprise, surprise, I have a fantastic car for you. So this is a 2004 Morgan Roadster. That means it's the Series 1. We'll talk about that a little bit later, but let's have a look at some of the nice things. So you've got these lovely LED inserts in the headlights. You can see overriders there as well, and a lovely chrome grille and badge bar. So as we go around the side, ooh, look at those 16-inch stainless steel wire wheels. And look at the paintwork in this. This is absolutely fantastic. This is actually Porsche metallic black. It is absolutely stunning in the sunshine. You can see the overriders, quad exhausts. Oh, don't they sound great? Well, you'll hear that in a minute. You've got a mohair roof. You've got black leather. And we've just gone past the wind deflectors, which make a lovely addition to this car. Tell you what, let's have a step inside and see what this car looks like. So typical Morgan is a wash with lots of nice natural materials. So you've got walnut that looks fantastic in this lovely warm sunshine. You've got a lovely Moto-lita wheel, the black leather on there. Now, I don't know if you can notice that, but those seats really do hug you, so really hold you in place. And there's no marks on those. They are absolutely fantastic condition. But I can just tell that you want to see this car driving and you want to hear the noise. Listen to this. I tell you what, folks, let's go for a drive. Oh, let's follow them. Let's follow there. So welcome back to Berrybrook, folks. Thanks for joining me in this beautiful car. This is a 2004 Morgan Roadster Series 1 with a 3-litre V6 up the front. So no side screens today. We've got a bit of sun out. Which we haven't had for a while, so I've decided to get the side screens off, enjoy that sunshine, enjoy the wind over my head. I'd like to say hair, but hey. So this particular car, say 2004, it's got 9,820 odd miles on it, so absolutely nothing. You may be able to hear the quad exhausts. Not only do they look great, but they sound fantastic. That's what this car, really is about. I do often say to customers that I think the Roadsters are where Morgan got it absolutely spot on. They've got enough power. Which that may not look like much, but I can feel it pushing me back in the seat. This car's finished in Porsche metallic black, which is a very pretty colour, really is. So it's got metallic fleck for it. I think we'll pull off here, enjoy this little country road. Let's give that a little clean as well. Oh, that's nicer. Now it is wet, as you can probably see, so I'm not going to hoon it around too much because I don't know what's around that corner. But this car really wanted for nothing. It's good service history. You've got nice little extras on there. Again, that quad exhaust is not standard at all. It's a nice addition. Really does make it look and sound fantastic. Like so. You got wind deflectors, sun visors, which are nice, lovely walnut dash. Makes it look absolutely fantastic. This lovely wooden Moto-lita steering wheel very tactile, these things. They feel great. I've got gloves on, but I can still feel everything through the road, which is great. They look good as well. Loads of nice accessories, well worth looking on our website. All the extra bits and pieces this car comes with. I know my valeter's going to go a bit mad with me for getting it dirty down this little lane, but can we get past there? Get past there. Come on, you can get past. Oh, a little burble on the runoff as well just sounds great. Responsive engine these are. Steering feels precise. Proper sports car, these things. A bit of a wolf in sheep's clothing. They look like something out of the 30s, but that is very much a modern engine up there. I think we'll find somewhere to turn around in a second and go back to base, because you might not be able to see, but over to my left there are some big black clouds, and I don't want to have to put the easy up hood, although it is very quick up, because this is convertible after all. That's what it's about, isn't it? Having that roof down. I think we'll turn around here. So you never know what's around that corner. Always good to be nice. Must say, I really like the cream dials. They really contrast nicely on at this wooden dash. It's got black leather in, so this car is black on black. Just very classy. I think it looks and feels amazing. It really is nice. I think when whoever ordered this did the right thing. There you go, you might be able to see that big black cloud, and that definitely looks like rain. I often say to people, actually, I wouldn't really worry about the hood, because the faster you drive, the drier you seem to stay, which is nice. Wind deflectors and also sun visors on here all do their bit to try and help. But that looks quite moody, that rain. We'll see. See who's quicker, Morgan or Mother Nature. So far, it's Morgan. Oh. Just lovely. Really is nice. Now, this kind of road is what these cars are made for. Now we've got something coming down here. Yeah. Why would you want anything else? This is absolutely amazing. I love it. It's an absolute beast of a car. Now the engine's warmed up, it is wanting to go. So the only thing this car needs is just an extra gear. just wants just another gear. But hey, beggars can't be choosers. You ain't got one. So you just use what you've got. And this car just delivers its power just instantly. It really is nice. Actually gives you quite a little bit of confidence as you're driving. It feels very, very planted on the road. Some Morgans can sometimes feel a little bit vague. This does not. And it gets up to speed really quickly as well. Okay, enough fun. Let's seek some shelter. Like and subscribe. It really does help us. It really does. Lets me know what you like. I try and act on any feedback. Still using the same microphone, I'm afraid. Leave us a comment. But more importantly, if you like our cars, then come down and see us or email me, pop in, give me a ring. We'll arrange a test drive. You can have as much fun as this. Oh, that was good.